Think you've mastered the art of driving? Buckle up! There's an entire world of car secrets you've never heard of. Today, we're unveiling 21 hidden features and insider tricks that can save you time, money, and even spare you a headache or two. Secret number 21: Hidden Seat Memory. Ever wondered how some drivers always seem perfectly comfortable? Your car might be secretly remembering your ideal seat and mirror positions. Look for that hidden button and let your car adjust for you. Luxury at its finest. Secret number 20: Hidden Advanced Settings. Imagine your car having secret superpowers. Many vehicles hide an advanced menu that lets you tweak performance settings and dive into diagnostic info. Dig in and discover features that will blow your mind. Secret number 18: Road Condition Indicators. Your car isn't just about speed, it's your personal safety assistant. Modern vehicles display subtle warnings like a snowflake icon when conditions get treacherous. When that light comes on, it's time to drive extra cautiously. Secret number 17: Morning Gas Hack. It might sound like a myth, but refueling in the cool of the morning actually gives you denser fuel. More fuel for the same price? That little trick adds up over time and keeps your wallet happier. Secret number 16: Side Mirror Defrosters. On icy mornings, wiping foggy mirrors can be a hassle. Instead, activate the defroster by rotating your mirror switch all the way down. Your mirrors will heat up, clearing frost and condensation in an instant. Secret number 15: Starting with a dead remote. Imagine your remote battery dies. No sweat. Modern cars come with a backup passive RFID system. Simply hold your remote close to the start button and watch your car spring to life. Secret number 14: Tire Pressure Monitoring System. TPMS is like a silent guardian for your ride. When your tire pressure drops, that little icon flashes to let you know it's time for a checkup, keeping you safe and your fuel efficiency on point. Secret number 13: Blind Spot Monitoring. Even perfectly adjusted mirrors have their limits. With blind spot monitoring, smart sensors alert you if a vehicle sneaks into your blind spot, giving you that extra peace of mind when changing lanes. Secret number 11: Check engine light signal. When that little light comes on, don't panic. Often, it might be as simple as a loose gas cap. If it stays on, grab an OBD2 scanner to read the codes and get to the root of the issue before it escalates. Secret number 10: Motion Parallax. Ever notice how things close to you zoom by while distant objects barely budge? That's motion parallax, an optical trick your brain uses to judge distance and speed, making every drive a dynamic visual experience. Secret number 9: Smartphone Interact. Your smartphone can transform into a powerful driving companion when linked to your car. Enjoy hands-free navigation, music, and calls, all while keeping your eyes on the road and your focus sharp. Secret number 8: Seat belt safety features. Your seatbelt isn't just a strap, it's a high-tech safety system. With built-in pretensioners and energy management loops, it's engineered to protect you in a collision. Buckle up knowing your safety is in expert hands. Secret number 7: Hidden storage. Did you know your car could be hiding secret compartments? From under-seat safes to hidden center console spaces, these clever spots keep your valuables organized and out of sight. Secret number 6: Adjustable headrest. More than just a comfort feature, your headrest is a crucial safety tool. Adjust it so the top aligns with your head, and know that in emergencies, many headrests can be removed to help break a window. Secret number 5: Anti-stall technology. Say goodbye to those nerve-wracking hill starts. Modern manuals come equipped with anti-stall systems that automatically add a pinch of throttle when you release the clutch, giving you a smooth, confident launch every time. Secret number 4. Heads-up display. Imagine having your essential driving data projected right onto your windshield. With a HUD, your speed, directions, and even call alerts float in your line of sight, keeping you informed without taking your eyes off the road. Secret number 3. Back seat reminders. Forgetting someone in the back seat is a risk no one wants to take. Many modern cars now include backseat reminders that alert you with a chime or visual cue, ensuring that no child, pet, or precious item is left behind. Secret number 2. Conversation mirror. Designed for family-friendly rides, the conversation mirror gives you an unobstructed view of the back seats. It's a simple yet brilliant feature that helps you keep an eye on your loved ones without turning around. Secret number 1. Stability control. When the road gets slippery, stability control steps in, monitoring your wheels and applying brakes to keep you on track. It's like having an extra pair of hands, ensuring you drive with confidence even in challenging conditions. Now that you're in on these 21 car secrets, it's time to revolutionize your driving experience. Don't let these hidden features go to waste. Subscribe now for more insider tips that protect your ride, boost performance, and keep you safe on the road. Drive smarter, drive safer.